Hello Scorpios, this is your monthly reading for the month of June, but here I am taking some secret messages from your soulmate, from your partner side. So let's see any secret message from your partner or whatever you are thinking in your mind about, right? So let's see any secret message, what is going on at their end. Seven of Pentacles, Temperance card. I'm not taking that much cards, but I see Eight of Wands, so maybe they want some sort of a communication. King of Pentacles, any secret message from their end. Judgment card, okay, this card really want to pop out. Eight of Wands and the Two of Wands. One last card. Let me take the last card. Okay, King of Cups and bottom of the deck Ace of Cups. So let's begin with your reading. So first card is like a waiting card. They are waiting for something. They are planting their seeds and they are now waiting for their money tree to grow, or maybe this relationship to build. Whatever they are investing their time, their money, their efforts, they just waiting for that thing to grow, right? So they are in a waiting period. And next card we have the Temperance card. So Temperance card is also representing that this person try to balance their emotions, and this is again a card of patience and the waiting. So definitely this person in a mode of, they have a lot of patience and this person is waiting for something, and they are just balancing their emotions in a current state. They try to handle their emotions, right? And the next card is the King of Pentacles. They also working upon their financial side. This person really try to get stability in their financial area. So this is all about the Pentacles, or this is also card representing a perfect partner, perfect husband wife kind of a material. So this person do want to be perfect, whether they want to be perfect in each and every aspect, right? Whether it's financial area, whether it's emotion side or whatever, but this person do want to be perfect. So this person is just patiently working upon their financial issues or whatever, on their security and everything. They want to become their best version. Judgment card, this person do want some sort of a second chance with you, because Judgment card, someone from the past, maybe this is the past person, someone from your past do want to reconcile with you. They do want a second chance. So this is all about someone from the past do want a second chance with you. And the next card is the Communication card, Eight of Wands. They, whatever this person is, this person do want to communicate with you, and this person do want to make some sort of a forward movements in this connection. And next card is Two of Wands. They have a crossroads in their life. They have to choose a particular path, and they already choose the dead direction, and they see whole world on their hand. So this person make some sort of a choice or decision right now in their life, and they are following their passion because they have a lot of passion towards that particular direction. And the last card that we have, the King of Cups. So King of Cups again representing that this person have a lot of love and emotions for you, but the thing is, this person very much in their control. This person know how to handle their emotions. So this person is not representing their emotions. They are holding back their emotions. They are not expressing their emotions. They are holding back, but they have a lot of love emotions for you in this connection. And the last, bottom of the deck, again we have a Ace of Cups. So this is again, that is all things that is hidden from you. And the last card we have Ace of Cups. This is again representing a new beginning, and that is full of love. This is maybe a self-love. They are working upon their own energy, or maybe that we already know that this person have a lot of love and emotions for you. So this person do want a new beginning that is full of love. So this is all the secret messages. Let me take some messages that what they want to tell you. I am not ready yet. Too many cards. This person really want to say a lot of things, but let me take only 2 to 3 cards, right? Okay, so we have 2 cards here. Impatient, I can't wait. Okay, so at the one end this person is very patiently waiting for you, but maybe they reach the point where their patience is like lacking, because maybe from the last 2 to 3 months or 6 months this person is continuously waiting, but now they feel impatient because it take lots of patience or whatever. Forgiveness, please forgive me. This person also want your forgiveness, right? Let me take one another message more for my beautiful Scorpios. I'm not ready yet, so I put it back. That is the clarity card. Okay, just one more message. Okay, let me take the 2. Dreams, I am so proud of you. So maybe they are proud of you in some sort of a way. And partnership, it's always been you. So some sort of a partnership they do feel with you, right? So let me take any angel guidance in this connection. Any angels guidance. Okay, we already have 2 cards. Caring connection, so this is something like a caring connection. You both care for each other. And the another 2 cards we have door to value and storm warning. So maybe some storm warning. So maybe there is something going to be happen in your connection that is really stormy. There is a warning for you in this connection that something is going wrong in your connection in upcoming days. So chances of storm, this is like a warning message from the angels. And door to value is like reverse, that is like a ace of pentacle kind of energy this card have, but this is reverse. So this person need to balance their whatever the financial situation, but they are still not able to do that in some sort of a way. Maybe this is the warning related to that thing or whatever, right? So take it how it resonates. If it resonates with you in money side, then take it in that way. If it comes in your relationship, so take in that way. So let me take one advice for my beautiful viewers. Any advice? Okay, so we have obsessing over the outcome of a relationship gets in the way. Instead, I let go and allow. What a beautiful message for my beautiful Scorpios. So what is the meaning of this message? Obsessing over the outcome. If you obsess with the outcome of a relationship gets in the way, right? That is like a distraction. Instead, I let go and allow. Let go the things and allow the universe that what they want to do, right? So you just have to let go and allow the things that meant to be happen. So that is the simple, don't obsess about anything. So that is the main advice for my beautiful Scorpios. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.